you a lover of nature, Jamaican culture, poetry, or would you just like to hear our story? Then you're in the right place. Antoinette the Poet's channel will give you all that and more. Do you just need a bit of motivation or inspiration? Or would you like to be entertained? Jamaica is filled with so much beautiful attractions, and the Upper Rio Grande Valley in Portland, Jamaica has so many hidden gems. There are a wide variety of waterfalls, rivers, trails. We are enclosed by the Blue and Janko Mountain. Would you like to hear about the children of the Maroons and the traditions that we have kept? Do you want to see our way of life and understand how proud we are of our ancestors' bravery and wisdom that flows through our veins? This is not just a channel. This is my way of sharing our oneness with Mother Nature with you, as well as sharing our story through poetry. Go ahead, click on the links in my description box to be entertained by amazing poetry, view beautiful sceneries, learn how we prepare our natural juices and delicious meals. Enjoy our flora and fauna while being a part of our experiences, sharing our fun and laughter. Leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you.